In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Hostinger website. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into Hostinger, then you want to go ahead and go to this left menu and press over here where it does say website. Then it is going to give you the website list over here, and all you want to do is you want to press on this button that does say add website. Then you guys could either pick between WordPress, a Hostinger website builder, or you guys could upload a custom PHP/HTML website. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select on custom right over here. All right, and once you're done with that, it's going to ask you a few questions like what type of website are you building and stuff like that. Pretty much basic questions that anyone can answer. But the main point is you want to eventually get to this screen right over here where it is going to connect you to your domain. So what you want to do from here is you want to go to Namecheap right now. And you just want to make sure you do log into your Namecheap account. Then you go ahead and press on domain list. And over here, please go ahead and locate the domain that you are trying to use on your website. So for this video, we're working with this domain over here called minecraftbedrockseeds.com. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say manage. Okay, once you're over here, you just want to go ahead and copy your domain right over here. Then you want to head back over to Hostinger and paste it just like so. Make sure that it is 100% correct. And now you just want to go ahead and wait till you get this option. Okay, so yep. Notice that over here, it will say, do you own this domain? Use it. You want to go ahead and press on that option. Then you want to go ahead and press on next, just like so. And now it is going to begin setting up your website over here. So now you just want to go ahead and be patient because trust me, guys, it is 100% going to be worth it. All right, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu one more time, go ahead and press on websites. Then you want to go ahead and locate the brand new website that you're going to be making. All right, guys, and then over here where it says website name, make sure that the name of your domain is actually there because that is really important. All right, guys, once you're over here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say domain, and you'll notice that it will say domain isn't connected to your website. So please go ahead and press on that. And now it is going to give us these two different things over here. And there's also written instructions in case you want to go ahead and take a look at that as well. It really is up to you. So here is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to go ahead and copy this first part over here where it does say ns1.dns and then parking.com. Then you want to head over to Namecheap and you want to select over here where it says named servers and you want to change it from Namecheap basic DNS to custom DNS. All right. And then in the name server one, you want to go ahead and paste it just like so. Then you want to head back over to Hostinger and you want to do the same thing with the second line. So go ahead and just copy that, return it back over to Namecheap, then go ahead and press on paste. Once you're done with that, please go ahead and press on this save button over here. It's really important that you do that. I believe the first time I tried doing this, I accidentally forgot to turn on that check mark and it just didn't work. So now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just wait for Namecheap to actually respond. And once you're done with that, you want to head back over to Hostinger just like so. Then you want to press on this box that says I've changed the name server records. Then go ahead and press on finish. All right, and then it's going to say, if you change your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. Once you're done with that, please go ahead and select on close. And now it is going to begin connecting your domain from Namecheap over to Hostinger. And let me show you guys a quick way that you guys could actually check to see if it did work. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and open up another web browser. All right, then you just want to go to this website over here called lookmydns.com. Then you want to go ahead and paste in your domain. And then you want to go ahead and just press on find right over here. And as you're able to tell, it should actually work and you should be familiar with it. So if you get a bunch of check marks, that means you are good to go and you did it successfully. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.